Alright guys, so I have now homed this to 0 degrees, and now it's time to put on a pulley. So this is a very simple process. What you're going to want to do is you want to put the servo horn into here, and what I'll be taking is, this isn't really required, I just like doing it because I think it gives you a little more support. You can take some, I don't know, metal wire. You can use like copper wire, any type of like kind of stiff wire. Cut out a little piece. And you're gonna want to bend it, just like that. And you're gonna put this. Now, if you look at the pulley, you see that there's a little hole at all the way at the end. So you're gonna put this through here, right? And then you're gonna kind of make like a little loop here, but you don't want to like close it yet. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your string, and you're gonna want to put it into the loop. Wow, look at that. All right, now you are going to just tighten it, kind of like, I don't know, like cross it like that, and then you're gonna put the servo horn in the position that you want. So what position do I want it? I want it in, well, make sure, first you want to make sure this is tight. And then what position do you want it in? I want it in this position, right? So if I want it in this position, I'm just going to press it on. Kind of up. There you go. Alright, and now pull on this. Make sure the string is tight. And I'm going to tie it until it is at the end here. Alright, this is pretty important. Alright, that's good. Now, I'm going to use the servo horn screw. I'm just going to screw in the horn in the position that I like. So this is the position that I like, and that's where I'm going to screw it in, right? So I'm going to screw that in. Alright, perfect. So now it should be in this position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hot glue, right? And I'm going to take the hot glue and I'm going to glue this servo, the string, the tendon into the servo pulley. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue here. It would come out. Crap. Whatever. Alright, so I'm going to take out the hot glue, put a little out here, and I'm just going to glue it in. Doesn't have to be like perfect, but you just want to make sure the string doesn't like go into all sorts of crazy places. I'll put a little more. There you go. And this should honestly be pretty good. I mean, I am going to just put a little bit more on the knot that I made so it doesn't loosen, but this isn't required. As long as it's like, as long as you feel it's good enough. There you go. Now this shouldn't be loosening anytime soon. The end of this, what I do is I just cut it, but I leave like a little piece out. And I just wrap that in electrical tape. So if I can find the electrical tape. So yeah, I just take like a little piece of electrical tape. Get a little piece like this. This is good. Yep. And just wrap it here.